Friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is Git tagging. Tagging, guys, these are all topics in today discussed. Guys, I have already completed Git purpose of all topics in what is Git, how to install the Git and Bitbucket, what is branching, how to switch to one branch to another branch, what is merge conflict, what is push conflict, what is rebase. These are all topics already completed, guys. Please go through first of all that videos and please watch it. Then today topic is git tagging. These are all topics are discussed in today. What is git tag? When will use git tags? How many types of git tags? How to list of all tags? How to push tag to remote repository? How to delete a tag in local? How to delete all tags in locally? How to delete tag in remote repository, how to switch to one branch to another branch, how to show the particular tags, how to show the particular tags in commits, how to get the remote tags. These are all topics are today discussed, guys. Please observe this carefully. Most of important tags in Git topics are these are all. You can first of all you can observe the carefully and topic is understanding you will definitely you get the answers in all questions, all topics. Okay, you definitely get the answers in finally you can all topics. Then interview questions are these are all only interviewer are asked these questions only, and go through this, and I will definitely all topics all covered in all topics. We'll go through it. First of all, what is git tag? Simply saying, git tag is a main purpose to release a particular version of code. Okay, what is tag? Git tag? Git tag is main purpose to release a particular version of code. Okay. You can identify the tags and you can add the version of tags, you can version of tagging that of all commits. I have a scenario. My company working in number of developers in one project. Okay, number of developers in working on project. This all developer you can write the code and add the commit ID, add the commits, can push the commit IDs in repositories. Then you can what tag I will push it. You can identify a purpose of mostly important tag for tagging section. Can identify the commit IDs. Okay. Then you can push the all commit IDs on developer. You can command what tag you will be using deployment purpose. You can take this you can add the particular commit IDs. You can add the one tag that is simply like v1.1, that is like you can add this. You can directly you can push it to the central repository. You can take this particular tag ID. You can tell the you can I will push the central repository, then you can take this on this tag dit commit ID, then deploy the application is successfully. That is a scenario of git tagging. See this. What is git tag? Tags make a point as specific point of git histories. Can specific the identify of the your histories. Tags are used to mark a commit stage as relevant. We can tag a commit for future reference. Primarily it is used to mark a project initial point of, like see this, these are all ag version of tags v1.1, v1.0, v1.2. that is we also mention it any name also you get it this. There are two types of tag. One is annotated tags and another one is lightweighted tags. Annotated tags is a meaningful tag. Present working in annotated tags. Annotated tags is a meaningful tags. What is tag name? What is how to author of tag names? Particular date of tag names. Particular message of tag names. These are all using of annotated tags. Both of these tags similar, but they are different in case of amount of metadata stores. Okay, when we will create the tags, we want to create a release a particular stable version of your code. When you want create a historical point that you can refer the in future. See one diagram also, I explain it. See, this is a repository. This is a central repository. And number of developers in work on some one project. This project or work on number of developers. They can push the all commit IDs in your repository in central repository. See this commit ID, one commit, commit ID 2, commit ID 3, commit ID 4. These are all multiple commit IDs you can push the in central repository. These commit IDs you can take the particular commit ID, you can stay this, you can deploy the application, you can on that commit ID you can take this. First identify, you can mention it the tag name. See this v1.0 and then v2 v1.1, then commit ID 3 you can mention it v1.3 2, then v1.3. see, these are all add the tag names, particular tag. You can see this, you can take the only commit ID v1.2, you can take this commit ID commit v1.2, this committed, you can take this, you can deploy the application easily. And you can all committed is you can mention it 7 or 10 or like you can any multiple committed is you can release based of versions. It will be create a tag and take this tag and add the deploy the tag. That is scenario. Okay, you understand it guys? Okay, how will you create the tags, how will you deploy the tags, how will you add that particular committed is tags, I will definitely show the in practical also. I will definitely, you can get the all answers in these questions. Okay, first of all, what is tag? You can mainly you can tag a main purpose of release a particular version of code. You can identify the committed is. Then when will you get the tags? These are all create a release a particular stable of version of code. When you want to create a historical point, release a futures. That is. Then how many types of tags? These are all topics I will discuss in practicals also. First of all, go through my repository. See, this is my Bitbucket repository, in central repository also. Many updates. Okay, go through my projects folder, store in locally on particular location. DN, where is my folder? Yeah, this is my git folder. Open the git bash. Yes, it's open. First of all, one projects. Yes, see, I will take the branching projects. How many branches? Yes, see this. So two branches. First of all, check this. Go to what is name? Or like only two files are my project. Check the how many branches. Git branch. Yeah, first of all, you check the how many commits also. Git log. This is a commit ID. Guys, you observe this. This is a commit ID. This is a latest commit in. You can push the central repository. Create one file also. Tagging.txt. Insert this. Remember guys, comments also. Git add, git commit, message of tagging section. Then you can check it the git log one line. See this list of 3 commits. This is a latest commit. Tagging section. Okay, can create the another file also. You can add the tag and that commit ID. File name is write the some content also. Is it not this? Add this that commit in tag in git tag. First of all, check the tags. Use this command git tag -l. See nothing to else. See git tag also use this purpose of authenticate. First of all, add this git tag v1.0. Then add the tag. Check this git tag. See, one tag is added. How to committed git log -1 line. These are all 4 committees. How to add this committed in v1.0. Okay, git tag, copy the particular commit ID, you can paste it here, then add the tag name v1.0. Then added, check with the git tag git log can add the tag in v1.0. The committed is this is committed. Can add this tag in this committed and show the only that particular committed also. Get you can take the only this particular committed also. Git show v1.0. see, this is a BA0. This committed only. See, Friday, July 17. Latest commit. This is can show that this. You can take this only. You can take the particular tag name. You can show this committed. You can then push it this committed also. You can take this. You can mention it the tag names. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, understand? Then create another file also. File to using some content. And save it. First of all, add that. Then git commit -m using annotated tag. But present using what tag is annotated text. Then save it. Then git display also smaller. Okay, then git check the first of all git log -1 line. See, these are all last time add the v1.0. This is the latest commit in annotated tag. Then how to add this in particular message of we can identify the what is annotated tag. Annotated tag is a meaningful tag. Okay, adding the message also. See this tag -a using -a v1.1 -m messages. You can add the message order management. Okay, see added. Then check it the git git log -1 line. See this can add it in directly using this command. you can add the v1.1, you can add the message also, indirectly add this in latest commit. Okay guys, you can take this tag or this committed also, you can take this git show v1.1. You can take this is committed, you can deploy this, you can push it also. I will show it in how to push the in central repository in all tags also. But a single tag also how to push in all tags also. I will push the I will show this. See, you can observe this carefully. This what is tag, what is how to create the tag, how to add the committed is, how to add the annotated tag, how to create the annotated tag, how to add it the tag name also, how to take this particular tag, how to show the tag name. These are all completed guys. Then next is um, next words. First of all, check the tags in repository. Branches also. See, nothing to tags also. Once you can push it, how to push the tags in repository. Git single tag also, yeah, is successfully successful. Can once refresh it. See, these are all committed is. See, can successfully store the in central repository. How to push the all tags also in central repository. Git push, use this command, git origin tag. Can push this all commands in central repository. Yes, is pushed in successfully. Once you can check it. See, this is all committed, all tags also you can store in central repository. Okay, remember it guys, how to push the in central repository. Git push origin --- tags. This is this command, you can push the all commands. Next, git push only single commit, you can push it. Git push origin particular tag ID you can mention it. These are all using single push the in local repository single commit also. Then next is next topic is I think types how to list of all tags. Git tag -list. Of tags, using this command git tag iso -l. Using this command also you can display the number of all tags of you can display. How to push the repository is done. How to delete a tag, how to delete in total how to delete a tag in repository. These are all pending topics. How to switch to advanced to, how to show the is completed, how to get the remote. These are all pending topics. Next is how to delete a tag. Git tag -d can use this tag name and paste it here. Yes, it's deleted successfully. Check it. Yes, okay, deleted. How to delete all tag names? Git tag -d $git tag -l. Use this command. You can delete all tags. Once check it. See, nothing to it. Deleted all tags. Okay. Then how to fetch the remote tags are locally? Using the what command is? Using simply saying git simple this command you can fetch the all tag IDs. You can fetch the locally. Use this command git fetch. You can check this git tag also. You can display the all tags names. Okay. Next, how to delete the remote tags? Okay. Git tag origin git tag origin -d tag name also v1.0. Origin is not found. Once check it. Yeah, sorry, git push origin. Yeah, check this tag. You can delete it in locally. Sorry, use this command. Can retrieve it. Then once clear the screen using git -d. First of all, check the tags in remotely. Three tag names will display v1.1 and tag ID and v1.0. How to delete it? Git push origin -d v1.0. Yes, is successfully deleted. Once check it, deleting or not. Once refresh it, can check this tags. Yeah, see, only two list of tags. Only two tags are displayed. One tag is deleted. This is a okay, guys. You get this all questions. Then how to push it? You can use the git push all tags. Git push origin -tags. Using this command, you can store the all comments, all tags are you can store in central repository. See, you can store it the v1.0. Okay guys, then next topic is I think all of covered. Push the repository done is how to delete the local done. How to local is all done. How to delete in tag in repository central repository is done. Yes, only one topic is pending. How to switch to one branch to another branch. Yeah, first of all check the branches, git branches. Git, this is a two branches. How to check git checkout. Okay, check out the git status, git log, one line, only two committed is okay. 9C and 01. How to only these three committed is you can store the one branch to another branch. Okay, how it is I will show the, please carefully observe it. This is the most important. First of all switch to git checkout. Okay, then add this git tag. First of all git log one line, show the all comments, then add the committed in git tag. Use this tag id, paste it here. Yeah, once you can fetch it, you can add the all comments. check it. See, adding this v1.2, use this git tag v1.2, we can commit id, add it. Then how to switch to another branch, git branch already existing. Okay, see git branch, you can check it, create another branch, tag text. Only these three commit IDs you can switch to another branch. Once you can check it, get this, you can check out, git checkout, then check it, git log, one line. See, only three comments are you can switch to one branch to another branch. You can any commit ID, you can take this, you can tag particular commit ID, you can add the particular tag also. You can switch to only that particular commit ID, you can do it. You can simply saying in this model also use this only, create the branch also. Then first of all you can add the particular commit ID in your particular tag name, also add the particular commit IDs. Then you can check the number of commit IDs, then you can add the one branch ID in tag text and you can mention the particular commit ID. How will you get all commit IDs, and you can check out this, you can check it this, you can display the, see, you can only display this branching, this three commit IDs only you can display. This is, check it is only that's are all commit IDs, you can switch to one branch to another branch. Okay guys, I covered all topics also. See, once again I repeat it. What is git tag? Git tag is a main particular version of code. You can identify the commit IDs. Then how many types of git tags? Two types of git tags. One is another tag is another one is lightweighted tag. Then next question is, one minute guys. Okay, next question is how to list of all tags. Git tag -l. This command use can display the all tags. Then how to push how to push the tags in repository. Git tag git push origin, git push origin hyphen tags. You can push the all tags. Only single tag ID you can push it. Git push origin in particular tag ID 1.0. How to delete the locally? Git tag -t to delete all? Get tag hyphen d in dollar bracket get tag hyphen l. Use this command, you can delete all tags in local. Then how to delete tag in remote repository? Get push origin, get push origin hyphen d particular tag name. How to switch to one branch to another branch? Get checkout tag text v1.1. This is command using the you can switch to one branch to another branch. Okay, next is how to show the particular commit IDs. Use this command, you can show the particular commit ID. How to get the remote tags? Get okay guys, understanding. I covered all topics in tagging. It is most important topic. Please go through the all videos in Git purpose. I covered in all topics in Git. You can go through the all topics. You can get it the all answer in interview questions in total topics in Git. Okay guys, thank you. Please, you can understand the video. Please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon. Okay, bye. Thank you.